welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also click on that bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So I've already got my base on. I've got a separate video on how I get my base done, so if you want to go ahead and watch that, please make sure you do. I'll put the link down in the description box for you. So let's get started. So I'm going to begin by applying some eyeshadows. So like I promised, I'm going to use this new Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette to do this complete eyeshadow look. I'm going to try and keep the eyes neutral because I'm wearing a yellow sari and I just want the eyes to look not too glammed up. So I'm starting by applying henna as a transition shade. You guys know I always like to use a transition shade, and most of the time I like to use brown. So that's what I'm actually doing today. Now on the outer corners, I'm going to use a tapered brush and I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner and on the crease line as well. Now I'm going to take the black truffle, just a tiny bit, and I'm just going to blend that out on the outer corner with the cocoa shade that we've already applied, just to make the outer corner even more darker. When you're working with black, just be really careful. Work with little product at a time. Now I'm going to go back with the tapered brush, the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to apply this on the bottom lash line. Next I'm taking the shade Moon Dust and I'm going to apply that on my tear duct. And with the same shade Moon Dust, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. This is such a beautiful color, guys. I love this shade. This is so good to highlight. It is super pigmented. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, and the one I'm using is from YSL, the Shock. Nowadays I feel like I don't want to apply eyeliner. I don't know, my preference just changed. I feel like the eyeliners are more for traditional look. I don't know. Especially if you're trying to achieve a simple makeup, I think makeup without an eyeliner is much better. Guys, if you have no eyelashes like me, please try the YSL The Shock mascara. It's so good. Trust me, I promise you will not regret purchasing this. YSL is a little bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth it. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes and I'll be right back. Now I've got my eyelashes on. While the glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the makeup. So I'm going to apply some bronzer. You guys know my favorite, all-time favorite bronzer is from MAC, Give Me Sun. Next I'm going to apply some blusher, and again this is another favorite of mine. It's from also MAC, Foolish Me. I don't like to apply too much blusher. I like it when it looks like the color comes within. So I like to go just light-handed. Next I'm going to highlight my face. For the first time I'm actually going to try using an eyeshadow to highlight my face. I'm going to go in with the same shade Moon Dust. I am quite scared, but here goes nothing. That does the job. That's actually pretty. That is really nice. Such a nice glow. Oh my god, that's a little bit too much. Just gonna dab that on top just to blend that out. Next I'm going to apply a lip liner. The one I'm using is from Rimmel in the shade Coffee Bean. Next I'm going to apply some liquid lipstick. The one I'm using is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Ruler. Applying that liquid lipstick, I'm going to go in with some lip butter. The one I'm using is from Nivea Lip Butter Coconut, because last time it was a little bit too drying for me. Ta-da! So I've now got the makeup on. I'm going to go ahead and put my outfit on, bindi and earrings on, and I'll come back and show you the final look. So this is the complete look, guys. Hope you like it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!